Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to mute someone's story on Instagram. So first of all, open up your Instagram application. On your Instagram application, first of all, you have to locate that account or that person whose story you want to mute. For example, I will be using the account that is this one. So now, if you want to mute that person's story, you have to hold on that account and a new menu will pop up. From this menu, you have to tap on mute. Once you tap on mute, another menu will pop up right in front of you. So now you have multiple options. If you want to mute only that person's stories, then you can select the option that is mute stories. But if you also want to mute that person's post, you have to select the second option that says mute stories and posts. So now I will be muting that person's stories. So I will be tapping on the first option. So now as you can see, that person's account is now removed from my story section. So everyone, that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.